Set within a gated community in the rolling countryside of Minas Gerais, Brazil, JK House by João de Barro Arquitetura seamlessly unites rustic artistry and minimalist elegance. It is a thoughtful retreat where every material layers calm, craftsmanship and connection to place. The facade features charred wood treated with the Shou Sugi Ban technique, a Japanese method that enhances durability and texture, giving the exterior a striking, sculptural presence. Slatted concrete panels frame the social areas, while the cumaru wood slatted ceiling ties the indoor and outdoor volumes together with visual warmth. A robust structure uses refined, natural materials to shape space and flow. The design integrates foldable aluminum panels, known as camarão, which dissolve boundaries between private and social areas, enabling adaptable transitions that reflect the rhythms of family life. At the heart of the home lies one expansive social area, where kitchen, dining and living spaces meld effortlessly. A central kitchen island and long wooden table anchor gatherings. Sliding glass panels and an angled wooden brise-soleil connect this zone fluidly to a generous outdoor leisure space, ensuring privacy and comfort. Sunlight streams into the interior through large openings, while fixed and articulated panels provide shading and thermal comfort, embracing passive design principles to keep the home naturally illuminated and airy throughout the day. A materialist dream, the house unfolds in layers. Textured stone walls, charred wood paneling, cumaru warmth overhead and softly colored concrete. Combined, they evoke a habitat both refined and deeply grounded. Details whisper intention. The Shou Sugi Ban accent wall offers depth, stone textures enrich, and the camarão panels carry light and shadow like living canvases. A spa-like couple's bathroom with its luxurious soaking tub becomes a place for restorative calm. A purposefully oriented leisure area flows from the home's interior, bridging architecture with garden. The articulation of space, glass, wood, and stone, creates an extended living landscape that envelopes occupants in serenity. JK House is an architectural embrace, a home where texture, shadow, and warmth converge into quiet sophistication, grounding modernity in tradition and nature.